How to allow or disallow download my videos on REDnote. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open REDnote app. Then log into your account. After you've logged into your account, click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then click on settings located on bottom left corner of your screen. Then go to privacy settings, which is below notification settings. In here, you'll find allow download my videos. To allow, make sure there is red color on it and white circle is on right. To disallow, make sure there's no red color and white circle is on the left. After that, you're good to go. That's how to allow or disallow download my videos on REDnote. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.